Hello everyone, this is today's mystery object and all these images are of the same thing. I want to give you a chance to guess, so go ahead and pause the video before we figure out what it is. Did you all guess? Well, today's mystery object is an orange. This particular object is a mandarin orange, which is a certain type of orange. I don't want to spend too much time talking about the history of the orange because I think that it will just bore you, but I'm going to talk a little bit about the orange. It is believed that sweet oranges first came from areas in China and India. Just in my research, I found that there are at least 10 different types of oranges, and I have no idea how many there actually are, but that is kind of cool. Oranges have played an important part in the world. Did you know that sailors who did not get what we call a balanced diet would die from something called scurvy? You can get a nasty illness from not having enough vitamin C in your diet. You gotta eat those fruits and veggies. Oranges were hauled on ships and given to the crew to prevent them from getting scurvy. How cool is it that an orange helped save lives? Another cool fact is that the color orange is believed to come from the fruit of the orange. I believe that fact may be debated though, so don't quote me on that. So which came first, the color orange or the fruit orange? Who knows? Not all oranges are actually orange or have the color we know and love. Many oranges are actually green due to being grown in warmer climates. Today, many oranges that are green are artificially colored orange. I have no idea why that is, but we must like the color orange. Now let's move on to the close-up of the oranges under the stereo microscope. This image is of course the outside of the skin of the mandarin orange. It does not look that orange partially because I had to tone down the light because the reflections were just brightening everything out. It is kind of hard to make out anything, but you can see the little circular bumps on the orange. This is zoomed in quite a bit, so the next time you have an orange, look really close and see if you can make out just one bump on the skin. This image here is of the inside of the orange. I split apart one of the orange slices and zoomed in on the edge. It looks very interesting and kind of gross to be honest. The orange looks slimy and like it's made of a gel or something. This next image is of an orange slice. The outer shell of the orange slice to be exact. It is covered in the white film that I have always heard it be called pulp. You can also see some strands in there that seem to be holding things together. I like how it almost looks like snow on top of the orange. When you peel an orange, you have a lot of the pulp stay in the peel. This close-up view is of the inside of the orange peel. You can see what looks like veins and white pulp. It was really hard to get this image to stay in focus, so it is a little blurry, but gives you an idea of just how magnified we are. This is another image I took of the pulp of the orange. This one looks pretty cool, and the funny thing is that it kind of resembles what mold looks like. It's kind of gross to think about, but, oranges, they're good for you. Mold, not good for you. I hope you had fun figuring out the mystery object. If you have an orange nearby, take a close-up look, then eat the orange. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my math and learning videos. I have a math game called Mage Math that you can find on my website at magemath.com. Please support me by going there and visiting and sharing the website. Thank you.